The Fenix series by Garmin has become well known for its robust design, advanced tech, and high performance. With the introduction of the Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin pushes the boundaries even further, delivering a smartwatch crafted for serious adventurers, athletes, and tech-savvy users. This new model blends toughness with style, staying true to Garmin's legacy of producing watches built for extreme conditions. It comes in two size options, 47 and 51, ensuring a better fit for different wrist sizes. The improved design is more ergonomic, offering greater comfort while maintaining resilience. One of the standout updates is the introduction of a micro display. This next-generation screen technology delivers enhanced brightness, sharper contrast, and greater energy efficiency. Whether under direct sunlight or in dim lighting, the display remains clear and easy to read, displaying stats, navigation, and notifications with precision. Navigation has also received a major upgrade. The Fenix 8 Pro features enhanced multi-band GPS, allowing it to connect with multiple satellite networks simultaneously. This results in highly accurate location tracking, even in tough environments like forests, mountains, or densely built-up city areas. Whether you're exploring off-trail or commuting through urban streets, the watch helps keep you on course with dependable signal strength. Battery life is another area where the Fenix 8 Pro excels. Designed with endurance in mind, it includes solar charging technology, allowing the device to draw energy from sunlight and extend its operating time. This is especially useful for long outdoor excursions or intensive training schedules, minimizing the need for frequent recharging. For health and fitness, this smartwatch goes far beyond basic tracking. It includes an upgraded heart rate sensor that delivers more accurate data during both workouts and daily use. In addition, improved sleep tracking provides insights into your rest quality and its impact on recovery and performance. This kind of feedback is especially useful for athletes who want to optimize their training routines. The Fenix 8 Pro also supports music playback with onboard storage. This feature enables users to load playlists or podcasts directly onto the watch, eliminating the need to carry a phone during workouts or hikes. Alongside this, it offers improved integration with Garmin's ecosystem, ensuring your training data, recovery status, and health metrics are easily synced and analyzed. Safety is a priority too. The watch includes automatic incident detection and emergency SOS functionality. If something goes wrong, it can send your exact location to designated contacts or emergency services, providing peace of mind when venturing into remote or risky environments. Customization options make it easy to adapt the watch to your lifestyle. You can choose from a variety of bands, including rugged silicone for outdoor use or stylish leather for everyday wear. As a premium product, the Fenix 8 Pro comes at a higher price point, but it reflects the exceptional build quality, comprehensive features, and long-term value it offers. For those who need a smartwatch that can keep up with demanding environments and high expectations, this is a device worth considering.